Do you think that in clause can handle null values in SQL? So let's do a quick test to confirm it. I have created a table products with some dummy rows in it, and there are two rows which has null value for the price column. So in this test, what I will do is I will run a subquery on this table to see if the in clause handles the null values and returns the output. What do you think will be the output of this query? So we can see that in the output, the two rows are missing, the row number 3 and row number 6, where the price value was null. So both the rows are missing. It means that int does not handle the null values. So if there are null values coming, you will not see it in the output if you are using in clause. I'm pretty sure if I run only this part, select distinct price from products, I will see the null values also in the output. So it means the list actually has null value. However, when we are using it as a subquery using an in clause, it is not resulting the result with the value null. So there are two ways to handle it. One is obviously you can add a function like coalesce to give a default value to all the null values. So I will add coalesce on both the sides and give -1 on both the sides so that it matches. And when I run this query, I can see that both the records where the value was null is now coming in the output. If you don't want to use this approach, then another approach can be that you explicitly add a condition or price is null. Null always comes with is. You cannot use any other operator other than is. So if I run this query now, so you can see all the rows are in the output, right? So these two ways you can use to handle null values in your SQL queries. In does not support it. Now my question to you is, if instead of in, if I use not in, do you think I'll see the rows in the output?